Welcome to Nova. In this how-to video, we'll explore the advantages of using a board view, some of the ways we recommend using it, and finally what a link is and how to use it. Using the board view has some great advantages over a traditional list view that help to ensure your team is productive and unhindered when working on projects. The first advantage, and maybe the most obvious, is that you're able to organize your project your own way, following your own methodology or using stickers and notes to notify your team about what's going on. In this project, we see that this particular session is due this week but has been blocked and needs to be reviewed, or is simply waiting for a missing piece of information. Information can also be filtered based on priorities by highlighting what is due today, this week, or past due, all organized by color for quick reference. This helps your team access any information or data that is directly relevant to the overall project without having to go into specific sessions or go on another platform or software. You might, for example, add link to resources, add specific client requests, pictures, or ideas that were discussed in a kickoff meeting, and even the link to the Slack channel for quick access, all in one place. In this particular project, we have a graffiti wall, so team members can share their feedback and add ideas. The daily stand-up meeting is also on the board view for the team to easily access and have a daily reference for what they set out to do for the day. Another major advantage is you can quickly add meetings to Google Calendar from the board for your team without switching platform, as seen here. Finally, when in board view, sessions can be linked using the link button, which moves the session output to the session it's being linked to once it's been filled out. A link is a way to transfer conclusions or final ideas from one session to the next. Typically, once your session is completed and you'd like to send the final ideas to the next session, you can update the output of the session here. Once added, the information will automatically be sent to the linked session and show up under the Output from Link session here. As you can see, you can link multiple sessions or not link them at all, whatever is most valuable for your team. Remember, if you have any other questions, please refer to other how-to videos or simply get in touch with us directly. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for choosing Nova and welcome to the community.